That's it for the National Museum. And you know, the good thing is that it's free. And we are now here in Goulburn again. Yeah, Goulburn becomes Inigo's favorite city or town. And we are now looking for a restaurant to eat. I already got some red roasted chicken along the way from the petrol station. But we need to go to a restaurant with rice. Coles is hiring. It could be part-time, casual, and you start immediately. So if you're looking for a job, you can come here. And we are at the moment in the food court. I want to eat some kind of noodles, but yeah, the Hong Kong village is closed. So I got this one. This. According to some blog, that this red roasted chicken is similar to Jollibee, the taste. I'm not sure. Yeah, a little bit similar. Actually, it's more salty. Yeah, saltier than the Jollibee one. Yeah, it is now almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are leaving now, going back to Nelson Bay. If I am the one to drive, it means that we're going to reach Nelson Bay at 5 o'clock in the morning. The same like last time that we come here. And because of that, Inigo will be the one to drive. And he's already prepared his towel, his water, his GPS. Very important, the cup. And he's having this towel because he used to work as a jeepney driver as a young teenager in the Philippines. Before when he was young. And we are here in the petrol station, going to pay for the gas now. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, someone is cleaning on that side. That's why I cross this way. There's one white Jimny over there. Already 2:30 when I sign out. Today I start at 6. And it's just me and Divina today. There's no big ship. Okay, so we are out of the highway. So yesterday we went, no, not yesterday, but yeah, 2 days ago we went to Canberra, and yeah, we came back yesterday. So it was like an 2 days in Canberra. I mean 1 night in Canberra. My endless love. And I'm feeling very sleepy. Oh, yesterday it was Inigo who drive from Goulburn all the way to here in Nelson Bay. And it took just around 5 hours. Yeah, because my speed limit is just 90 kilometers per hour, while the highway, the limit is 110 kilometers per hour. So Inigo can drive 110 kilometers per hour. That's why he took it just 5 hours. And you know, long drive is not good, because there will be a time that you're going to feel very, very, very sleepy. I mean, I feel very, very sleepy, and I'm not going to do that again. I remember my brother is a jeepney driver in the Philippines. So basically, when there are passengers and he feels sleepy, yeah, he is asking the passenger to get down and find another another jeepney, another car, because my brother is going to sleep for a little bit. Yeah, that is how it is. Yeah, it's dangerous to be sleepy in the highway driving. We are not going to the town center. We are going home straight. Okay, we are home. It is now almost 3 o'clock. And I have a lot of mess here. I didn't even switch on my computer last night because I was very sleepy. And so I sleep. That was around 11 o'clock. And sweating a little bit. And you know, very big difference when it comes to the weather, the temperature. It was very cold in Canberra. Feels like already winter over there. Yo, good evening guys. Yeah, it is now already 9:30 exactly. I actually received a message from Inigo. He is asking me that he had to go to his apartment to check the car. Because last night, he took the car to his apartment and this morning he washed it. Yeah, like a full detail washing. Yeah, when I wake up today, yeah, I feel like I really miss Nelson Bay during that 2 days trip to Canberra. Yeah, I feel like I miss a lot of things. I feel like I don't want to leave Nelson Bay anymore, or at least this Bay area of Port Stephen. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now already 7:21. I already had my cup of coffee. I was already editing the video. But before starting everything else, let's go outside. Let's go check the car. Oh, we won't be able to see it really, the cleanliness, because at the moment it is covered with the moist from the night. Didn't notice that I still have some dirt like this. You see that? You see that? Look how dirty is that. And Inigo was explaining to me yesterday that yeah, he cleaned it similar to the professional car washer. Whoa, clean. You look at that, it's clean. Oh, it's a little moist. It's moist. Yeah, it's wet. I keep it inside to dry. Amazing. Thank you, Inigo. Okay, let me wash this first. So basically, when we arrived 2 nights ago, coming from Canberra, Inigo said to me, Robbie, I'm going to bring it to my apartment and I will wash it. I will clean it. Yeah, and said, yeah, sure. And it was very clean, very, very clean. More than clean than when I pick it up from the dealership. Oh, actually, let me show you the time when I pick it up from the dealership. Yeah, here's the video. We're going to leave the car of Inigo here in the mall. Then we're going to take the bus to Newcastle. And like what I've said, McDonald's, they are always hiring. They are always in need of staff.
Kaibigan mo po yun.
And we are now here in Newcastle Interchange. That's the station, the train going to Sydney and in regional area and in other states too. So Inigo is impressed with the design of this car park.
It's like a brutalist architecture.
Here in this area mostly are car dealers. Even from this side mostly are car dealers. Isuzu, Renault, BMW. Yeah, Ford, Hyundai, Suzuki on that side. There is one Jimny there, color green. Good looking. Oh, look at that. That's the Jimny car. Color gray. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's closed. Sarado. Due to current restriction, this is closed. So we're going here in the Nissan. This is just one big company of cars. They're selling different cars.
So it looks amazing. So if you feel the paintwork,
Yeah.
you feel it's nice and smooth. We've had the paint protection done to it for you. And yeah. So it comes with the 2 keys.
Yeah.
Basically it's a brand new car. So they're really nice. Have a good look around it.
It's yours. Just check everything.
Doors are open if you want to open it. Have a look. Gents, please feel free to give us a call. We're here to help.
Full tank daw ito.
Sabi?
Hindi ko alam. Ba't tumutunog?
Alam mo kasi. Teka na, ano natin yung mapa.
Walang gano'n.
Hindi, ikakabit ko yung ano.
So now Inigo is driving this new car.
Please turn next left.
And it has a built-in GPS. Very nice. And according to this description, it also has Apple Play, music connected to your mobile phone. This camera that measure the road, like a lane assist. And there is the gear, and this is the 4-wheel drive gear. There is no armrest. We leave the Jimny on that park of Bunnings warehouse, and we are here in Super Cheap Auto. We are going to buy something for cleaning, because already there is a bird poo.
Spray yun o. Yan o, pre-shot. Ganun. Alam mo yan?
Hindi.